Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve most frustrating issues related to Bluetooth on Windows PC. If you have Bluetooth mouse or any wireless device which is having Bluetooth interface, and it is very frustrating if you are not able to auto connect devices, or if it is disconnecting randomly, or even if it is not showing up properly in your Windows PC. But don't worry, I'm going to cover all the options so that you can solve all the related issues of Bluetooth in Windows PC. I'm going to use Windows 11, but these options are very common in Windows 10. So also check out my video on Amazon Basic ABIM10 wireless dual connectivity mouse. So first basic thing we are going to try is removing the device and adding again. So you have to go for settings, and from settings you can find the device. So I'll just click on the settings, and ABIM10, this is my wireless mouse. Bluetooth connectivity is connected, and from here I can just simply remove, and from add device again I'll try to find the same device again. So once the device is found, you can directly select on that found device and you can connect directly. It's the same process like for other Bluetooth devices. You need to follow the procedure what is given for that particular device. So another basic setting you can try is uninstalling device and installing back again. So it is very easy. You have to go to device manager and you have to find the device. So here in my case ABIM10, this is my wireless mouse. So here I'll just simply uninstall device, and after doing that, my device is not appearing in the device manager in the Bluetooth setting. So now right click on Bluetooth setting and select scan for hardware changes. Now here again your mouse or whatever wireless device is there, it should appear back again. So simply you can join back that device, and with this you should able to resolve your Bluetooth connectivity issue. So other option is you have to go to services, and from services you can find the option where that Bluetooth devices services are switched on. So if you find the Bluetooth services, there are three services actually, but we need to switch on these two. If you see that is set to manual, and we need to connect to we have to set as automatic, and same thing for other options like Bluetooth support services. Here also we'll change from manual to automatic. So third one we cannot change actually, so we'll leave it as it is, and just we'll close this setting, and we can try to connect again Bluetooth device. With these service settings we should able to connect device automatically whenever you switch on your Bluetooth device. This is the last option, not the least, but we can check out this option also. So in basically what is happening is in case of very low power management, and there are chances it may switch off the Bluetooth devices. We can go to power management in the device manager, and just we can switch off allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So do the same thing for other devices which are listed in the below. So you can see there are multiple devices are there in Bluetooth low energy GAT compliant HID device. So there I'm one by one I'm switching off, and with this it will not allow to disconnect the Bluetooth device in case of low power. So this option we need to switch on. Basically this is to make the devices discoverable. You have to go to setting, Bluetooth setting, and from there you can just scroll down, and if at the bottom you can see there is one more option that is more Bluetooth settings. You have to click on that, and in there here you have to switch on allow Bluetooth devices to find this PC, and once you switch on that you can find this PC as a discoverable, and you can connect to required Bluetooth devices. So that's it guys. So see you in the next video. If you like the video, make sure that you will hit the like button or subscribe, and see you in the next video.